Hello everyone, this is the introduction of high-nest nesting software. This video is about inserting the CAD drawings into high-nest to nest the cutting parts and to transform the nesting drawing into NC code, which is for the CNC cutting machines, and to show the cutting demo on high-nest. Before inserting the CAD drawing, we need to set the general parameters in high-nest software. In the high-nest, we click the data setting. In this window, we need to set the value of the following parameters: gap among the cutting parts, curve, and the gap from the part side. There are two types of inserting CAD drawing into high-nest software. The first one is based on the color of CAD drawings. For example, if the drawing is black and white in CAD, then the setting in the high-nest should be the black and white. That is to say, what color in CAD, it should be the related color in high-nest setting. Especially, we need to pay attention to the enclosed color in CAD. The single line text in CAD to describe the parts information such as part name, quantity, material, and thickness. It also can be displayed in high-nest. In this window, the third item is for parts printing information, inserting from right to the left. We can choose what we need to add the information. Below the information, we can add the name of the nesting stuff and modify the NC file suffix. The fourth item is for dealing the lead line. We can choose the position of lead line. The above setting need to be done before inserting the CAD drawings into the high-nest software. After high-nest general setting, right-click at the blank space to choose Insert, and click the Insert. It will jump a file window to choose the CAD file into high-nest software. Double-click the Insert Parts drawing. It shows all the information of the parts, and then we can do nesting. In high-nest nesting software, there are two types of nesting: manually and automatically. Click manually nesting. We can put the parts one by one, and high-nest can adjust the parts according to the part gap. Click automatically nesting and click remain parts information to choose parts from the list. Click to choose rotate into any angle to improve use ratio. After inserting the parts, we need to create the plate information. We can modify the width and length of the plate here. OK, after modify above value, then the nesting drawing will be displayed in high-nest. After auto-nesting, we can modify detail value here manually, such as parts cutting order, lead line inserting, transferring to NC code. Choose file root here, type parts name, and save. For machine code, usually choose International EIA code and click Yes. Then the high-nest shows whole touch running and cutting route. Then the high-nest shows whole touch running and cutting route. Click File to choose the Just Now file root and click Play. Nest plays unsecured and touch running root demo in the window. Thanks for your watching. Have a nice day.